Hello everyone and welcome to my first ever unboxing video. So I am very excited and at the same time quite nervous because of course this is my first unboxing video. But anyways, let's start the video. So basically I ordered a few skincare and hair care products from Nykaa. So today I have received them. So I just thought of making an unboxing video, alright? So yeah, first basically I have received these two boxes, alright? So I will start with a small one. So first I'm going to unbox this one and see what have we got. So it has always been a big challenge for me to cut these tapes and open the box, so you'll be able to see the struggle. Okay, here we go, I guess. I'll just come a little closer to the camera so that I can show it properly. Okay, I'll just keep it aside. And yeah, so here's the first product, and this is my, if you all can see, this is my Wow Aloe Vera Multivitamin Face Cream. It has aloe vera extract, vitamins A, B3, B5, C and E, and this is going to help me soothe, tone and revive my skin. Alright, so this is my first product. I'll definitely open it, but let me first open these big boxes. Alright, so yeah, now it's time for the second one. This is going to be the real struggle. I don't know how to open this. Maybe I'll try from this side. Isn't done yet. Yeah, finally. Alright, so yes, this is my second product. So yeah, I'll just take some time, I think. Here's the next product, and okay, so basically I ordered this mamaearth product. This is mamaearth onion hair oil. So I will talk about them one by one. So let me show you first. So here it is. This is this mamaearth onion hair oil, and yeah, so I was fortunate enough to get a coupon code. So I basically paid for this mamaearth onion hair oil, and I received this free product, and this is basically vitamin C sleeping mask. So this is going to be really helpful for me, I guess. Alright, and yes, there's one more product that is yet to arrive, so probably I will receive them tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So once I receive it, I'll definitely be making another unboxing video. Alright, so let's now talk about them, why I have ordered all these products. Alright, let me share the products that I have purchased from Nykaa. So yeah, this is the first one. This is Wow Aloe Vera Multivitamin Face Cream. So yes, we all know that aloe vera is very good for our skin. It actually provides a lot of nourishment to the skin. So yes, I'm really hopeful that this product is going to do wonders on my skin. And basically I live in coastal area, so the weather is not that suitable for my skin, which what I felt. So sometimes it's very dry, and sometimes, you know, basically it's mostly dry. So I need something which can actually hydrate my skin and, you know, just help me soothe my skin and just keep it hydrated and moisturized. So I was really looking for a cream that can do that. Before using this, before actually thinking to buy this product, I was using this Lotus, but I didn't get enough results. I mean, I was not really happy with the results I got, so I just thought of changing the product, and that's why this time I switched to Wow. And yes, I am very hopeful because it has aloe vera extract, and in addition to aloe vera extract, it has vitamin A, B3 and B5, C and E. So basically it has all the essential you know, ingredients that is definitely going to do wonders on my skin. So I'm really hopeful, and I'm going to use this for a while, and then I'll share the review. Now the next product that I purchased is this mamaearth onion hair oil. Now why I ordered this product, because honestly I am having hair fall since more than 1 year, and I have tried not much but some of the home remedies, and I found that they are not really working. So I have to look for some alternate or some perfect solution. So I was just doing my research on the website, where I came across this amazing product by mamaearth. And of course we all know that onion juice has, you know, always done wonders for hair care. You know, it actually helps us to control the hair fall. So I'm very hopeful this product is definitely going to help me to control my hair fall. So I will be using it, and definitely going to share my reviews, because I just came across a review where the user mentioned that she has actually seen the results. She has seen the result in just I guess 3 months. Yeah, in 3 months. So that's why I was very hopeful, and let's just see what happens. All right, I'll be sharing the review anyways. And yes, as I mentioned, I really paid for this product, but I was fortunate enough to get a coupon code, and that's why I got this mamaearth I don't know if you can see or not. It's this vitamin C sleeping mask. So yes, I'm very happy to get this sleeping mask. Why? Because I am actually running out of this sleeping mask. Basically, I use this Damian bamboo. I was using this Damian bamboo for as my sleeping mask. So basically, before going to bed, I used to massage using that. But now it's finished, and I was looking for something different to try. So this is a nice option. And yes, as I mentioned, there's one more product that I have ordered which is yet to arrive. So that is also, you know, I'm going to use that as my sleeping mask. So basically before going to bed, I'm going to use it for my massage. So definitely I'll be sharing once I receive. But as of now, I have these 3 products and I'm super happy. So just let me know how was this unboxing video, so that I get encouraged and I can create more such videos. But honestly, I love doing this because I always love doing new things. So this was something very new for me, and I really enjoyed doing this. Looking forward to making more of such videos. Until then, please take care of yourself and take care of your lovely families and stay happy. Alright, so bye all of you. Take care. See you all soon in my next